Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can add view product on Instagram post. So first up here that you can do is open up your Instagram app. And then first you need to make sure that your account is in a business account. So to do that, tap on your profile at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen to open up your page. And then tap on the three lines at the top right-hand corner. And then scroll down here and find the account tools. So right here, account type and tools, and then select switch to professional account. Now tap on continue button. And then here, just need to select and then make sure that you have just selected this business and then tap on next at the bottom. Then you can add the contact information and then I'm going to skip this one. Now, once you've done switching your account into a business account, what you're going to do now is go and tap on the plus icon right here at the bottom middle of your screen. And then we can basically add the product image, for example, this one here. And then once done, tap on next at the top right. Now we can basically edit or customize your image. You can add music, you can add effects or add text. And once done, tap on next at the top right hand corner. From here, you can add a caption. For example, this one is perfume. And then tap OK at the top right. And if you scroll down, basically you will find an option which says add product detail. So if you're going to tap on add product detail, you can add about your product info. So this new feature is actually available in some of the region, and if not available on your region, basically you just have to wait for a few days or a few weeks, basically. Or maybe you can go to Google Play Store or App Store if you're using iOS device and make sure that your application is updated so you can check if that new feature is available on your region. So once you tap on the update button, just tap on open and see if you can use that feature. So that's all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.